Here are the reactions of Inter Milan players after facing the 17-year-old prodigy Lamine Yamal. Let's start with the coach, Simone Inzaghi. He emphasized that he hasn't seen a player like Yamal in the last 8 to 9 years, describing him as a phenomenon that appears once every 50 years. Bastoni also acknowledged that Yamal is currently the best winger in the world. Marcus Thuram admitted he was surprised throughout the match by Yamal's brilliance. And of course, Inter's goalkeeper, Yan Sommer, stated that their team tried to defend as best as they could, but Yamal still managed to score, and his goal was impressive. Can Inter contain Yamal's movements in the second leg? Share your thoughts in the comments section.